Welcome to the Dinerware Jobs and Employees session. In the first segment, I'll review how to set up a type of job and some characteristics associated with the job. In the second segment, I'll show you how to add an employee into the system. To learn how to connect an employee to a specific job, please refer to the manager training session. In this segment, I'll show you how fast and easy it is to create different jobs in the Dinerware system. To start, there are several different positions that can be created, but for this demonstration, we focus on 3 common restaurant jobs: kitchen, cashier, and manager. Let's get started. We'll begin at the order entry screen. In the top right of the screen, touch the manager button. Next, touch the jobs button. Notice the job manager already exists. This is a job default built into your system. We'll discuss this position later, but for now, let's add a new job. At the bottom of the screen, touch New. This brings you to the Edit Jobs screen. Notice there are a lot of options on this screen, but for this demonstration, we'll only use the 2 basic requirements to create a job: the job name and base pay rate fields. Touch the on-screen keyboard icon on the lower left-hand side of your screen to create the name of the job. Type cashier and then touch OK. We will now create a base pay rate for the cashier position. Using your on-screen keyboard, enter the base pay rate and then touch OK. Notice that the overtime field right next to base pay rate field has automatically calculated time and a half based on the hourly rate we just entered. Make sure that the fast pay and allow list view boxes are checked for the cashier positions. We will discuss those features in another session. It's that simple. Touch OK to save this job. We're back to the main job screen. Notice we now have our cashier job included in our job list. Let's add kitchen job. Touch New. From the new job screen, we'll touch the keyboard icon again to create the name of the job. Type kitchen and then touch OK. We will now create a base pay rate for the kitchen position. Using your on-screen keyboard, enter the base pay rate and touch OK. Again, the overtime field has been automatically calculated. Select Logs in and out of personal page for the kitchen position. This option prevents the user from gaining access to the order entry screen. We will discuss those features in another session. For our third and final job, let's edit the default manager job. Highlight that job by touching it and touch the Edit button. If managers are paid salary, leave the pay rate field at $0. Dinerware does not manage payroll for salaried employees. If this is an hourly position, enter the pay rate now. On the lower right-hand side of the screen, you will notice an All Tickets Privilege section. For managers, select the second radio button, Operate as Manager. This allows any transactions made by the manager to stay with the ticket owner, which is important for end-of-day settlement procedures. There is more information on this in the Dinerware Cash Handling Guide. Be sure to check the Fast Pay and List View options. Touch OK to save the edits we just made to this job.